you started with a keyword, let's say intellectual toys. This is your keywords, and you started with these keywords in the focus of getting more conversions. So either you started with broad modifier, or let's say you started with phrase. You didn't want to go with either broad or very specific with exact. So you started with this match type. This is your keyword, and then you are, let's say you are ready to pay a max CPC of 30 rupees. And the moment you went live, impression started happening. One more thing, you will not get to know the position of this particular keyword until unless you have not acquired a single impressions. Because only when the impression happens, that is, impression means what? Your ad got displayed, and then only the system can tell you on which position your ad got displayed. So that is the time when you will get to know, yes, the position. So let's say 4. Now the question is, I am on 4th position. One more very important parameter over here is how much am I being charged for one click. So let's say you got 1 click and Google charged you 25. Google charged you 25. So the point is, if I increase this, so I'm in 4th position. If I have to increase my position to the 1st or 2nd, let's say I don't want to go directly to 1st, I would like to be 2nd and 3rd, because first, see, this is your Google. Being here or here or here or here, I think it will be still paying so much, and being here, I think I can still create the same impact by being here or here or here. So let's say I go to this position, 2nd and 3rd, so that I don't want to pay that much as being on the 1st position. So what happened, to go to the 2nd or 3rd, might be I have to increase from 30 to 35, new bid. But if I increase from 30 to 35, my position also went on to, let's say 3. Let's say from 35 to 40, when I did, my position went on to 2. Now what happened, when any clicks happen at this position, might be Google will charge me 27, might be at this position Google might charge me 32. But the question is, I also have to think here that yes, increase of bid will increase the position and also will allow Google to charge me a little bit higher. But hopefully when I go live with an account, I already have kept a benchmark. That whatever might happen, I will not exceed my bid more than 26. So that case you will not increase for sure. So what happens here? You cannot push this keyword. Yes. Or let's say you want to create a scope, but might be creating a scope with this keyword has already stopped because it has already attained the benchmark level. So the question is, if this is my keyword, I should think of few other keywords around this. Which can still give me the same sort of prospects, but might be the charges would be less.
Okay.
Might be this keyword, what I would look for, may be a long tail keyword. Maybe a long tail keyword of 4 terms, could be a long tail keyword of 3 terms, could be a long tail keyword of, let's say, 5 terms. But what will happen might be targeting all of these keywords, the scope what it will give me could still be much better to the amount of charges what the system is charging me for this keyword. So this is how you try to reduce your CPC. Otherwise always when I am in the lower position and if I have to increase to the higher position, I have to bid more, and bidding more will always increase my CPC. So how can I optimize my CPC? So that is where
with alternate.
Yes. This is one way. So you already have a keyword, it has got a scope, but you cannot increase because you have reached your benchmark. So you might create some more variety of the same keyword, which will still get you the same sort of traffic, but it might charge you less. One. Second thing is, if already a keyword like, let's say, intellectual, children, games. Let's say this is the keyword, and for this keyword I am bidding at 20 rupees, and I am already in the 1st position. And Google is charging me, let's say, 17 rupees.